equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. Welcome to our detailed tutorial on maintaining your Thermomix TM6, specifically focusing on cleaning and controlling the speed settings. Let's dive right in. First, gather your tools. You will need a soft cloth, a small brush, and a screwdriver. These will help you access the internal components of your Thermomix for a thorough clean. Begin by unplugging your Thermomix. Safety is paramount. Once it's unplugged, remove the bowl and the lid. This will give you access to the main unit. Next, let's focus on the external cleaning. Use your soft cloth to wipe down the exterior. For stubborn stains, a little warm soapy water will do the trick. Avoid abrasive cleaners as they can damage the surface. Now, let's move to the internal components. Using your screwdriver, carefully remove the screws at the base of the Thermomix. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base cover. You'll notice some dust and residue inside. This is normal, especially if you use your Thermomix frequently. Use your small brush to sweep away any debris. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, ensuring your appliance is in top shape. After cleaning, it's essential to check the speed control mechanism. This is crucial for the performance of your Thermomix. Locate the speed control dial and ensure it moves smoothly. If it feels stiff or unresponsive, it may need further attention. Before reassembling, let's ensure everything is dry. Wipe down any remaining moisture with your cloth. Once dry, replace the base cover and secure it with the screws you set aside earlier. Now, let's test the speed control. Plug your Thermomix back in and turn it on. Start at a low speed and gradually increase it. Listen for any unusual sounds. If you notice anything off, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it easy for you to get professional help without the hassle of calls or travel. Finally, once you're satisfied with the performance, reattach the bowl and lid. Your Thermomix TM6 is now clean and ready for your next culinary creation. In summary, regular maintenance of your Thermomix TM6 not only extends its lifespan but also enhances your cooking experience. Always remember to quote before repair if you need assistance, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Happy cooking! Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.